Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're tuning in from. Welcome to Thrive Thursdays. Excited to jump on and share with you the LFG formula and have you on with me today. So, I usually go and do this on Zoom, and my Zoom is this time it wouldn't give me permission to stream it live into the group. So I had to go live directly onto the page. So I apologize if anyone who is trying to get on the Zoom presentation and didn't see it. Yeah, I apologize for that. And by next week, we will get everything all organized. So, hope you're having an amazing day and excited to jump in and share with you the LFG formula and how you can really go and use it to have it back of mind when it comes to the business that you do to go and have amazing success in your business. Almost every person who has a lot of success in their business, they go and they implement these principles because they're really important when it comes to crafting the life that you want. It's almost like a prerequisite. It's almost impossible to not do it without these elements. So I'm going to go and normally I was going to go do a screen share and I was going to show you my screen on the Zoom call, but that's not happening. So I'm going to just pull up the document and we're going to dive right in. So you're probably asking yourself, what is the LFG formula? So the LFG formula, it's love, faith, and gratitude. You can't build a big business. You can't have an awesome life without having love, faith, and gratitude. So I'm going to go and I'm going to dive into each one. And then we can go and kind of dissect them of why it's so important. So love is a big thing, also known as passion. You have to be passionate about what you do. You have to love what you do to really exceed at what you do. And even if there's aspects of your business that you don't totally love 100%, you really want to double down on the things that you absolutely love about the business and delegate the things that you don't love so much. So let's say, hypothetically, you don't really love marketing and advertising your business. You need to delegate somebody who's really passionate about marketing and advertising because you know that they're going to constantly educate themselves on the best tactics, the best strategies to go and market your business and get you the best ROI for the dollars you're spending, whether that be an employee who's doing it, whether that be a company that's doing it that you hired. You really want to go and have someone really passionate looking after each area of your company. So, whatever you're passionate about, whatever you love about your business, that's what you want to really double down on. Because if you don't love what you do, why would you do it? Number one. Number two, why would you go and put in the time to get better at something that you're not passionate about or something you don't love? Because there's a lot of things in business that we have to do, we don't necessarily love to do. Like, for example, marketing and advertising and things like that. I don't love doing that with my business, but I understand it's very important for the growth of my business. So I've got automations in place, I've got AI in place, I have people in place who will go and look after more of the interacting with people, online messenger, talking to people, getting to know people, and booking calls, because that's part of the business I don't love. What I do love is researching, educating, learning, growing, and working with my clients. That's the thing I love the most about my company. And the thing I love the most about the business is being able to help entrepreneurs and business owners really thrive by breaking those subconscious barriers that they have, mostly from childhood, that they don't even know that are there half of the time. So that is what I absolutely love to do. So that's what I love to focus on. And I know as time goes on, I'll focus more and more on those things because as the company grows, I'll have more people and I'll be able to go and really focus on delivery, giving the best experience possible to my customers, and educating and helping people thrive and grow in their business. So you really want to go and focus all of your efforts and double down on the things that you love and you're passionate about. Another thing is, if you don't love your business, why would it give you the time and the money that you want from it? You need to go in. It's the law of it's the principle of reciprocation. You need to go and give love to your business for your business to give love to you, because everything is energy. So if you're putting love into your business, passion into your business, it's going to pay you not only with good people, not only with time freedom, but also with the income that you want to make from your business. So love is very important there too. And then also another question is, if you don't show love to those in your life or your business, how do you expect your business or those in your life to give you love? You really want to go and, give to receive. So definitely double down on love and passion, because that's how you scale a business massively to where you want it to be, is loving what you do, having a passion for what you do. All the people who are most successful in business absolutely love what they do. and work doesn't even feel like work anymore. It feels like just something that they enjoy doing. So work never feels like work. And if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And that's how you get people like Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk or some of the most successful people in the world, where they'll go and they'll work for 12, 13, 14 hours. They don't even look at it as work. They love what they're doing. They're interacting with the people they want to. They're doing what they want to, and they're going and having the impact that they want to have with their companies. The next one is faith. Because if you don't have faith in people, why would people have faith in you? So when it comes to business relationships, when it comes to your employees, when it comes to your customers, you really need to have faith in people, and then people will have faith in you. And then also, if you don't have faith in things going well, why would you try anything new? So you really need to have faith that everything's going to be all right. If you go and you make an investment in yourself, an investment in your business, you need to have faith that it's going to bear good fruits. If you don't have any faith around that, and whether your faith is in the universe or a higher power, I believe in God. I believe God created everything, and there's power in everything and energy in everything. So if you don't have faith that things are going to work out for you, why would you even go and have the motivation for things to work out? Why would you even go put in the time and the effort for things to work out, or keep grinding away for years at your business if you didn't have any faith that things were going to work out? Even if you loved what you were doing, if you didn't feel like anything would ever be good in your business, if you didn't have any faith that things were going to work out or things were going to go in the direction you envisioned for your life, you wouldn't really be as motivated to do it. And then also faith in yourself. If you don't have faith in yourself or a higher power or in your business, why would you go and try to improve anything? You really need to go and have faith in yourself, faith in your abilities. And that's a big reason why so many business owners fail, is they give up on themselves. And I've seen this a lot with different people, especially in more sales roles and network marketing roles. But they give up on themselves. They don't have faith in themselves. They don't have faith in their abilities. They might love talking to people. They might have faith in the company, but they don't have faith in themselves. So they don't feel that they're going to go and accomplish what they want to accomplish in their business. So those are two things, two out of the three that are very important, is to go and have love and to have faith in what you're doing. And then the third thing is gratitude. Because if you have no gratitude for what you have, why would you ever get more? If you believe that everything is energy and what we give is what we receive, and you reap what you sow, like it says in the Bible, and then if you have no gratitude and you complain a lot about things, you complain about your kids, you complain about your wife, your business, you complain about staff, employees, you complain about slow times in your business or times when things are a little tougher, because we all know we get them. We've all been there. I've been there multiple times where, I've had tough times financially in different businesses that I've owned. And, it's easy to move away from gratitude, and it's easy to complain. But really, if you have no gratitude for what you have, why would you ever have more? Also, if you're not grateful for the people in your life, why would they be grateful for you? Or why would they show you kindness and love and dedication or commitment at your company if you're not grateful for the people in your life? And that just doesn't only go for your company, but it also goes for family members. If you're not grateful, if you don't have any gratitude, because a lot of people, they say they're grateful, but really, are they really grateful? Do they feel it in their soul on a daily basis? Or is it just something like, oh, I'll hold it, I'll say thank you to somebody because they went and they begged at my groceries. Like, feeling gratitude and saying you're grateful are two totally different things. So you really need to go and feel gratitude. And then the third thing is, if you're not grateful for life and everything in it, why would life be as you want it to be? Things can't get better if you're not grateful for where you're at. So that's the LFG formula, and it applies to business, but really it applies to everything in life. If you go and you apply love, faith, and gratitude to every single area of your life, your relationships, your health, you have love for yourself, you take care of yourself, you have faith that, exercising and working out is going to give you more energy, more clarity, more calmness, more peace, more serenity. If you have faith in all that, you're going to lose the weight you want to lose, then that's going to go well for you. Same thing with gratitude. The fact that, you have an ability to exercise, you have the ability to go to the gym, you can walk, you've got two legs, you've got two arms, right? So love, faith, and gratitude isn't only just a pillar for business, it's really a pillar for life. And it's what I like to call the three key essential things in having a truly successful life and having success in all areas of your life. So you really want to focus on those three: love, faith, and gratitude, because they're the most powerful emotions too. And if you're walking around with a lot of love and joy, which is the highest resonating emotions, and gratitude, and you're going and you're not walking around with like fear or doubt or hopelessness, because those are the lowest vibrational energies you can have, then it's just a matter of time before your business is going to be in full alignment with how you are on a daily basis. So that's the LFG formula: love, faith, and gratitude. And really putting that into every area of your life and asking yourself, what do I love about my company? What do I love to do at my business? What do I not like doing at my business? Who can I delegate that to? Can I pay somebody to do those tasks so that I can double down on what I'm passionate about and what I love, so that the company can thrive in that area? Because there are a lot of areas in business that we have to look after as business owners, and we're not going to love all of them. But at the same time, if you're doubling down on the ones you love and you have great people doubling down on the things that they love, everyone is going to lift the company to where it needs to be, because a rising tide lifts all ships. So if you've got a good team of people, or you hire good companies to work with, let's say marketing, advertising, you don't love that, but you get a good marketing, social media marketing company to do your social media marketing, and you've got an operations guy looking after your operations, or a PR person looking after public relationships and public relations and your employees, and you're looking after different things like systems and operations and scaling the business, growing the business in different ways, and looking after the numbers of the business. If that's what you love to do, you're going to have a really successful business. You'll have a really successful life if you always keep love, faith, and gratitude back of mind, and really try your best to not complain. Because whenever you're complaining or you're ever doubting, it goes and it slows down bringing good things into your life. It slows down manifesting an amazing life if you're not grateful for the life that you have, if you're complaining about little things that really don't matter in the grand scheme of life. So it's one thing to be really, really conscious of, because I know I used to be there. I used to complain a lot about a lot of things in my life. About 10 years ago, I used to be pretty negative. I used to complain a lot about my business. I wasn't truly grateful. I thought I was grateful. I'd always say thank you to people. I'd always say you're welcome. I had really good manners, but manners is not gratitude. Gratitude is actually feeling it in your soul, waking up in the morning and being like, not I have to go to work, I get to go to work. I don't have to go and sell electrical supply equipment. I get to service electricians with amazing stuff. It's a whole different perspective, the way that you're looking at things and the way that you're acting when it comes to how you look at your business and how you grow your business. Oh, hey, Super Dave. Happy New Year, buddy. Happy that you jumped on. And thank you so much for dropping a comment. So really that's the LFG formula: love, faith, and gratitude. Have that in every area of your life. Focus on it. Always have it in your mind, even when things are tough, even when things are hard. Look at the good things in your life when things are tough. Be grateful for them. Go and double down on the things you truly love in your business. Have faith things are going to work out. Make that investment, buy that equipment, do that expansion, do the things that you want to do for your business. Go and have your vision the way you want your vision to be for your future, and have faith that everything's going to work out. Have faith in God, have faith in yourself and your abilities, and know that you're going to have problems, but you're going to overcome your problems. Know that things might get tough at times, but you're going to persevere. Those are the things that I think are very important, is to go and have that type of feeling and that faith that everything's going to be good in life, everything's going to work out in life, and have faith in yourself, have confidence. Know that you have unlimited intelligence. It's just a matter of tapping into it. And that's why I'm like a big proponent on breath work, meditation, visualization, getting out of your head, getting into your body, and going and getting out of your moving more from your amygdala to your prefrontal cortex, so you always make the best decisions, and you're constantly aligned with your soul, and you get out of your head, because your head's going to make mistakes, but your body knows the answers to what you want. Your soul knows, and your mind does not. Your mind talks you out of a lot of good things in your life, and we see that all the time. So awesome. Thanks, Dave. Perfect. So yeah, that is basically the LFG formula. How you can implement it in your life is always keep it top of mind. Always ask yourself, Am I living in a state of love, faith, and gratitude in this situation when it comes to your health, when it comes to your kids, when it comes to your family, when it comes to your business? And you'll see a massive change in how you feel, how you go about your business, and the results that you get from your business. As soon as you start moving away from fear and doubt, moving away from hopelessness, and really embracing faith in everything that you do, knowing you're always making the right decisions, love for what you do, doubling down on your passions and what you love, and gratitude, being grateful for where you are. The fact you got 2 hands, 2 feet, you got 5 fingers, 10 fingers, 10 toes, and you're able to go and do the things that you do. You've got lungs that work awesome. You've got a place to live in. You've got food to eat. Doesn't matter how big your house is, how small your house is. You have shelter. There's so many things people don't have, and it's so easy to take things for granted because we've had them our whole lives. So it's very important. So hope you all have an amazing day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, my apologies for the Zoom not connecting to the stream on Facebook. So anyone who tried jumping onto the Zoom call and interacting and asking questions there, I'm sorry that it didn't work out. But next Thursday, I will make sure that it's fully integrated. It allows permissions, and we're able to go and have a more interactive experience next Thursday. And yeah, that is basically it. If any of you are struggling with your small business, you've got a brick and mortar company, you've got a service based business, and you're not in a state of flow, but you're in a state of force, and you don't have a good daily winning formula, you're not doing certain things to go and get your focus, creativity, energy levels up, you're not taking care of health, family, business, income, and you're procrastinating on things that you have to do and ideas that you have to implement, then definitely reach out to me. Let's have a phone call, and maybe I can go and help you out with some free resources, really get you on track, because that's key. You got to go within or you go without. It's so important to go and battle the demons within, things that keep us procrastinating, things that keep us out of alignment with who we are and what we want. Because the moment we can go and we can peel off the layers of the onion and get back down to the core of who we are, amazing things happen. And see it every day with my clients. It's the best part about what I do. So if you need anything, never hesitate to reach out. Let me know. Let's get on a 30-minute call. Let's find out what your goals are, what bottlenecks you have in your business, even in your life, things that are not really going the exact way you want them to, things that are distracting you from your grand vision, and really where you want to take your life in the future. So hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll definitely chat soon. See you later. Bye-bye.